Are you searching for better career opportunities abroad? Canada might just be the place for you. With a strong economy and a diverse workforce, Canada is welcoming skilled workers from around the world. Workers from the healthcare sector, construction, engineering, truck drivers, software developer, cyber security experts, hospitality staff, teachers, and also the agricultural workers. And the good news about this is that many Canadian law employers offer visa sponsorship programs that can help you relocate and start your career journey. So if you are ready to build this brighter future, explore these job opportunities today by clicking on the link in the description box to get started. Make sure you also hit the like button, share to your friends, and also subscribe to our channel to get more opportunities like this.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.
So once you click on the link, it will take you to this page you are seeing on the screen here. So here we have 67,399 results. That is, we have over 67,000 vacancies on this website. Here we have the cook, we have the home child caregiver provider, home support worker, restaurant manager, legal assistant also. So for the home child caregiver, once you click on it, this is where it's going to bring you to about the job details, location, the salary, and the employment type. It's if it's a permanent or a temporary. So if you are looking for a visa sponsorship job, you don't need to go for temporary jobs, because once it's a temporary job, they are not going to provide visa for you. But if it's a permanent job, there is a high chance they are going to make visa for you. So this is the overview: the language, English, education, experience, work site environment, work settings, responsibility, your credentials. This is what the credentials you should submit: your first aid certificate, additional information also. So you click, you scroll down to this last part: who can apply for this job. The employer accepts application from Canadian citizen and permanent or temporary residents of Canada. They also accept applications from other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So you don't have a valid Canadian work permit, then you can also try your luck and apply for this particular job, home child care provider. So we go back to the previous page where we have the vacancies. Go back there to check out for another vacancy. We also have the accounting bookkeeper, oyster picker, cook. So once you click on this link, going to refresh and add new jobs every minute. Every You can see before we have 67,399, now we have 67,401. So if you move out of this website and come back, the vacancy would increase again. So you just have to keep checking till you get what you want on this website. So let's check out another one together: home support worker. You click on it, you can see these jobs are posted today, September 7, 2025. So you click on it also. Once you click on it, you see it's just the same step as the previous one. You scroll down. Okay, who can apply for this job? You can apply if you are a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident of Canada, or a temporary resident of Canada with a valid work permit. Do not apply if you are not authorized to work in Canada. The employer will not respond to your application. So if you are looking for an employer that will sponsor your visa, then this is not for you. That's it. It's written there. If you apply to this and you don't have a valid work permit, the employer is not going to respond to your application. So just go for the ones that you feel like that. Just go for it and try out your luck. I wish you best of luck for trying.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.